guys, welcome to my channel. It's Nyla Simone with 2 Y's and 2 Eyes. For those of you who don't know, you guys are in for a crazy video. This is chaotic days of my life. This is literally how my life is, but it's not like what I do every single day. It's just kind of like snippets of my life and how it's been going. This video is a little bit old. It's from July, but y'all still can get it. I have more videos coming out for you all back to back, so look out for that. Subscribe and like. I still look a mess. I look a mess throughout most of this video. It's okay though, because everybody knows and I know that I'm a bat. But anyway, I've been just doing what I had to do, being an adult. And I just thought that this video would be good for people who are just now becoming adults and just now being on their own, and some people who are not even on their own, older than me, and that want to see how life really is, because it's not all cake and rainbows, even though it is a lot of cake and rainbows. But you still gotta work hard. It's still stressful. You don't always have time to put yourself together. You're always doing stuff back to back to back, and I'm just giving y'all the realistic part of my life because it's real, and I'm not sugarcoating nothing, and I'm not putting on here anything that's fake, because I just never gave that. Everything I do is giving real classy, real demure. Anyway, y'all, stay tuned with me. Love you all so much. And these are my nails now. My nails change all the time, but I went to Miami, so, and that video is coming out, so watch that video. Bye. Stay tuned and just be patient with me, guys. I'm trying to get back on track, but tune in. Thank you all for watching. For those of you who do, thank you all for my true supporters who are still rocking with me since day one. We're only going up from here. But with that being said, let's get into this video. It's a little cold. Packages.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you know what you want. Like this time, doing what I want. Hope you knew what you want. What you want. My neighbors look like Tyler Perry.
Why did you take a picture of your therapist? Tell them come see it.
Yeah, y'all. So as you could tell, I look tired, but like, this is my first massage ever, so it felt good. So yeah, if y'all live in North Carolina, in the Concord area, go to Deluxe Signature Spa. Don't play. But yeah, I'm about to be on the way home because I have to take my sister to go look at her car. And yeah, I'm getting my hair done. Look at the braids. Y'all know Morgan's on here.
On my empty mindset, I try to keep from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be in no senses.
So right now, y'all, I'm preparing my dog's food, and so far, I do the dog food, an egg, and some peanut butter right now. And last but not least, get down. Last but not least, I use anchovies. I'm gonna give him a lot of peanut butter because he likes that. Now I'm gonna do the anchovies. I got them from the Asian store. He really likes them too. He really likes them. Then I prepare him some water. gonna show y'all me putting this food down. I gotta break the egg first, so they can get all that nice inside. Mommy's good boy. What you got, a stick? You got a stick, Stinky Man? So you guys, I'm in school for nursing and I had to get some work done. So that's the first thing I did this morning at my school. So yeah, I'm in school for CNA. I'm almost done, so period. Also, I stopped to get some Starbucks because I was very tired this morning, so I had to get some coffee. You know your girl loves her some coffee. But yeah, let me get this work done. I look a mess, don't talk about it. It's gonna be more to it, but that's where we're starting at. Good morning, guys. I'm just now waking up. It's like 10 o'clock. I don't know. But I don't have much in store today. Just running a few errands. Might go fishing. Because this boy want to fucking fish, catch the fish, and fry it. Will I be eating it? I don't know. We're going to see. But I don't even know if I'm going to go fishing because I just don't know. But I'm about to get up and get myself ready for the day and show y'all my like everyday routine. I'm gonna make a specific video for that by my next video, but I'll just put a little brief yeah in there. So still pulling my mascara off from yesterday, so it's time to wash my face and all that good stuff. But yeah,
I want to show you.
ooh,
I will always be there.
that's what I'm finna go do. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get up.
wanted to scare him.
But yeah, y'all, we fishing. Ducky. This is my first catch. Bob. He's cute though.
Big one.
Yeah, we're finna fry him up. Hey y'all, I'm in my car again. Yeah, I know I look a mess, but I don't care. I just want to tell y'all what God did for me. So, I'm in college or whatever, and I go to, ever since I have been there, they have been sending me everywhere. 5 different buildings, like they sent me everywhere just to get one class, and it hasn't been working. They dropped me from the class, all this stuff after I paid. Like my last professor in English, he failed me because I missed one essay because my computer wasn't working, and I even showed him I finished the essay and all that. He was like, you need to come to class early and make it on time and finish all your assignments. I came to class a whole hour early, did all my assignments before class was even over, turned it in and all that. He still failed me. So at this point, we're very frustrated with all of it, and I was just talking to the devil. I was like, you cannot get me. I don't fuck with you. Like, I don't fuck with you. You cannot get me. So I'm doing all this. This is before I even get in. I'm talking to him about it. I walk into this class. First of all, I went into the building that they told me to go to. Let me show y'all this fucking paper that they gave me that they had me walking around the whole campus looking for people who are not even here. So I'm doing all that. I stumbled into the building that they told me to go to. They told me to go to the North Classroom building, second floor, 2121. This lady, there's the only lady that was in there. There was barely anybody in the building, period, and school has started, so why is nobody here? This lady was like, oh, let me see if I'll be able to help you. She brought me back into this room, and then she told me about this program. So yeah, that's what happened. I just wanted to share my story with y'all because God did. Yeah, so I just woke up, took a shower, got dressed, and now I'm eating Chick-fil-A my man brought for me. So that's what I'm doing while we watching this wilderness show. What are we gonna do later? I don't know. Probably something. We're gonna make a big ass fire. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna take these braids out. I just did them, but I just wanted to try. So I'm gonna take them out and just wear my natural hair. Okay, y'all, I'm done with my hair. I'm just gonna let it dry. And I'm gonna put a scarf on.
What I done lied about? Oh shit, this nigga neck not broken no more.
Is so fun. I get lost.
Why the fuck did Mike?
Somebody's hungry.
Yesterday?
Michael?
Mike.
Oh.
The server?
2:20 in the morning?
Huh?
2:20 in the morning?
No, he left with 220. When he came back
He's
in from the shift.
hungry. I know he told me. He's hungry.
Bro, I was almost outing that nigga because I was like, bro, if y'all saw his ass last night.
So I'm not gonna be doing too much talking. Nikki! Free her out that cell! I didn't eat all day, so I'm not gonna do any talking. I'm just gonna have y'all watch me.
I feel like
Hungry ass boy. Ugly ass nigga.
I feel like
Ugly ass nigga. K-pop. Bust down. Ten out of 10. Don't play. Will come again. To make a makeshift band-aid because I cut myself up. I can bitch, I love it, but I don't got my tripod right now. But look at the cut. I can't see because I cleaned it up. It's pretty bad. All right. Okay, so first thing I did, cleaned it out with some peroxide. Put a little extra on there. I'm gonna put a little bit on here. What you're gonna need for this makeshift band-aid is, what is this? A napkin with a little bit of peroxide on it and some tape. So you're gonna tape the napkin to the tape. Then you're gonna start wrapping around your finger. And you can do it yourself, you need no help. Make sure the tape is tight. Wait, I'm gonna add a little extra at the bottom. On the skin so it will stay on the skin. All right, this is what it looks like now. And you're gonna squeeze it around the top of your hand and the bottom.
When are you getting him?
Wow. Y'all just saw how I just dropped my phone. Give me head, talk. Talk. We got real cute.
Who?
Us. Like the drink, real
Oh,
cute.
the jar. The drink. I was gonna say, honey, the bitch, I was about to die.
Twin now.
Riding with my twin and we bitch, you look good as fuck.
Yeah.
Ass so fat. Yeah, he wanted to hit it in that big ass truck.
Yeah, so now we finna go home. And because we gotta work tomorrow. He gotta work at 8 o'clock. Crazy as fuck.
Yeah, it's fun.
But I gotta work at 4, but y'all know I like my sleep.
I'm like 8 to like 5. Well, I'm like scheduled
8 to 5?
No, I'm scheduled at 5 at 4:30, which means I'm gonna be there.
Trying to call the cops on us, so time to go. I'm not getting locked up for manhunt. But bye, y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow. Close too. Did I even record?
Draco, get the fuck out of here. Oh, this shit.
Yeah, I feel like if you can't. It's up to you.
It's up to you. It's your food.
Well. Hey y'all, I'm gonna turn my hair now. I haven't talked to y'all in a minute, but don't mind my hair. I just woke up and I had to go to the UPS store. Here. The UPS store for something real quick. Get it done for 2. I got it done at 149. Don't play, and it's 156 right now. I did my own nails. Hold on, let me give it some justice. I like junk nails, so I wanted green and I wanted marble. But I'm gonna put another clip in to give it some justice. But I did my own nails, Gel X though. But if y'all want, once I start getting good, come book with me. But I'm about to go get a wax. I've been scared, like, I don't know why. But like, it's getting hot outside. I'm gonna start wearing bikinis and jumping off cliffs and stuff into water. So I need to go ahead and get that done. I didn't do nothing to my head, so not too much. but we're about to be on the way to the wax spot. I'm done with all the work stuff I have to do today. So, yeah. And it's still not 2 o'clock. Don't play. It's my favorite number, 7. These from Shein. My little spray ground purse. My favorite purse. Wear it every day. And nails done. Hair for to get done when I get home. Face is looking decent. A little bit to my eyebrow. A little tiny bit of mascara. But let's go. I'm here, y'all. I'm a little scared. But y'all, let me just take my ass up in here. Get it over with. I got y'all with me, right? Okay, y'all, so I made an appointment for 6:30 because I have a chiropractor appointment at 3 and it's 2:03. So, and they said it was gonna be a 15 to 20 minute wait. I said, sorry babe, I can't do that. But let me take my butt home and I'm gonna take y'all to my chiropractor appointment if I can.
Right leg's. See how much tighter that right side is versus the left? Although both sides pretty tight.
Yeah.
Kind of on both sides with you. Flip over on your back, check your hips real quick. So first, when I lift your leg all the way up, no issues with that, right? Okay, bend the knee. How's it feel in the hip when I push down? A little tight on that right side? Okay. How about here?
Now we're in these chairs with this cold stuff on us. And what's it doing to our back?
I don't know, but that little shit she put on my back, but I'm like,
Yeah, I have it on both my shoulders and my back. But yeah, I'm done with this. And then I got my wax appointment at 6:30. Then I have somebody's tattoo to do, and I might do their nails as well. So yeah. Hey y'all, I'm in the waxing place with my pussy on the table, legs up. Pussy on the table. Okay. Just out. Guys, I'm not doing much today. I have another chiropractor appointment. I'm sitting on a roof. Not a roof, but like, I don't know if you can tell, like, this is the apartment complex, like where I'm living. And there's like a place up the stairs that you can like come up on. So that's where I'm at. Just to look at some nature. But I'm gonna show y'all my view. Wish I was smoking a blunt, but I don't have no weed. It is what it is. We not no fiends, okay? Period. All the woods behind me. The dog park is up there where I take Draco. But yeah, the sun's covered. Beautiful. We're out eating. Wow. Sushi, baby. We back at the fucking lake. Don't play. Got my little Benson on. You got a little trunk on. And we bought a kayak. It was on sale for $80. So we brought a 2-person kayak and we finna get in the water and try to fish. Yeah. So we just blowing it up. It only took like not even 30 minutes, but we're not done yet though. So. Let's see. Hey, it's a catfish. Get him. He's small. We can keep him. Yeah. What you finna do? Keep him?
fuck no. You gonna...
Ooh. Okay, guys. So I just got back from touring an apartment. Don't mind my hair, it needs a retouch. Like, but yeah, I just got back from touring an apartment and I got me some Indian food. Got me some chicken masala or butter chicken. Same thing, I think that's what they called it. I can't even show y'all, boy. But butter chicken. And some rice. Some rice and some garlic naan. Okay. So this is how I do it, y'all. Let's take this, and I do something like that. Just a little bit at the top. Y'all can just see the seasoning. Okay. Take our first bite. Let me find a piece of chicken in here. And I wonder what kind of rice this is because it's good.
I'ma smash your pussy ass, this ain't no hope, this shit for show. I'ma drop my shells anywhere, I hope you fucking know. I was the youngest nigga wild.
Hey y'all, so it's my last day off, so I'm gonna cook some tacos. And I have all this stuff laid out right here. And yeah. Say hi, Monkey Boy. Say hi, Ricky Boo. Yeah, he really not supposed to be in the kitchen, but he don't listen. Get. Y'all, I didn't even get to finish recording because my phone died, but the tacos were busting. I was so hungry and I ate them, so yeah. And you guys know I love my son, so I had to make sure to feed him too. I just added some of the meat to his food and some stock. Hey y'all, so I'm just waking up. I have clothes on. I'm eating this chocolate and sea salt thing. And I'm about to go see my mom and grandma because they flew into town. But right now I'm going to eat some. And my allergies are going crazy, by the way. Right now I'm going to eat some berries from the farmer's market that my mom brought me. Some fruit. And then I'm going to drink my kombucha and get in the Uber because my car broke down yesterday. So I have to take an Uber. But yeah, I had to put my hair up and take some allergy medicine because the allergies were taking me out. I promise you I couldn't even move around. So right now I'm gonna go eat my berries on my little spot and eat and chill until my Uber gets here. My armpit like itches so bad because I use these strip wax. I wonder why that is. Right here. But like, I don't know. I don't really fuck with the Crocs. So I think I'm gonna do my Yeezy slides and yeah. Note to self, when it's sunny outside, it is hot. This black part, hot. My foot right there. I'm about to get it. but I'm trying to still calm down. My eyes still watering. I don't even know why I put a little bit of makeup on because it's not gonna last. The thing is, people can see me sitting here if they knew I was sitting here, like outside their house. I mind their business. Plum. So I have a plum and blackberries. The plum looks a little rotten though. There's like a little thing of water over there. We already tried to fish in it, it's no fish. But it's pretty to look at. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna just be sitting here and I'll see y'all when I get in the lift. Alright, so my lift should be here in a few minutes. I'm going to pack my out purse. Hey, look at my baby. My baby. Okay, so I always have my everyday purse, which is this one. But today I need a bigger purse, so I need to get this down and get my pink purse out of it. Okay, so this is my pink purse. It's a little dingy, but we're gonna fill it up. So, and I need to find my tripod, but I don't really have time. They're about to be outside. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna put this brush in here. We definitely need to put a wig band in there, but I'm not seeing one. Tripod, found it. Oh, the computer can fit in here. No, it can't. Oh, I'm gonna put my devotional in there because I meant to read it. A pencil, marker. Just some Vaseline, some lip gloss, some perfume. Yeah, I want to go with the Ariana Grande Cloud perfume. But I like this part, so I'm going to leave it on. I'll do medicine because that's a must. And then all the stuff that I use in this bag: taser, wallet, pain pills, Starbucks gift card, roll-on oils that I use, a box for a charger, and some mascara. Yeah, that's what it's gonna get for today. Yeah, so we're at the hotel at a little restaurant right here. Greeting me, my grandma. So pretty. Yeah. Yes.
Jacob, and I was just walking him to switch. As big as he is, he was just laying there.
Hey guys, I don't know if y'all can tell if it's better quality or not, but I can definitely tell because I got me a new phone. I got me a 15 because y'all, money and I don't check. Good check. Right now I'm feeling blessed. But I'm gonna show y'all my phone because yes, I got the pink one. The fuck type of question is that? But and I got a sparkly case. Love it. Let me show y'all. Don't play with the girl. She upgraded her phone because it was time for this one to go. Wait, what is this? A 12. So now I got me a 15. You see the size difference? Don't play. So y'all, I'm getting ready to go eat the sushi. I need some new products, like literally right now. So I'm just putting on my last minute touches. And that was this. My edit is quick. And yeah, I'm not rushing, but I can't just take my time either. It's okay. Yeah, I love you. You my everything. I wrote this for you, babe. I don't have any type of spray to put on my lace, so just let it do what it do until it's not doing what it's supposed to do now. But like, two-faced flipping hoe. can't even make this tutorial. She do it. Da 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 da. But look at my hair though. Okay, now with another concealer. Go together. We go together. I guess it is white. Alright, let's blend it in. And now y'all just saw me stab myself in the face. Normally I use my toasted bronzer. No, I gotta go find the cake. No, I'm gonna give you. Be right back. Y'all, why can't I find my bronzer?
One.
Yeah. Oh, this one. I was just looking at it. Thank you.
How you want that one? You wasn't supposed to do it.
Cause. What is that?
This ain't no regular ride. Send your ass out to the guy and the... I'm drinking walk in. I'm drinking walk in. You look like a fish. What the fuck, man?
I told you to close that drawer.
Let me do something. Let me do a little pad.
What the fuck? Why is that so hard? Is it soda? Ready? Yeah? Alright, turn it on.
Stack it up like Tetris, but this money ain't it.
And it goes like this. We'll get in your car and you'll need to kiss me. We'll talk for hours and lie on the backseat. And then one random night when everything changes, you won't reply, I'll go back to strangers.
So y'all, we're at my job and we're eating. So far we've had bread and butter. What else do we have? Oh, we had a Mai Tai and we had a Like, yeah, sometimes when you're really loud.
We're very loud.
Yeah, Mai Tai and I got bread in my teeth. Don't do me. What else do we have? And we had a strawberry infused margarita. The strawberry infused margarita was a 10 out of 10. The other one was like a good 5. It just tastes like orange juice.
Honestly, it was like very cute, very subtle. The strawberry was my favorite. The other one was kind of nasty. I look really good in your camera.
Yeah, it was nasty though.
But yeah, okay, well, fine.
So now we're about to get a raspberry lemon drop, and we're about to get what else? A Georgia peach.
A Georgia peach.
Yeah.
Which it should be good, should be nice.
Yeah, and we'll taste those for you. We'll taste those for you since we didn't taste the other ones for y'all. And I didn't bring my tripod, so bear with me. Don't do too much. So we got an appetizer.
I don't know.
Yeah, the first thing we got was street corn, and we get it in to go because I just don't like to use silverware from other than my house because I don't know how people clean their stuff. But yeah, street corn, and then we're still waiting on our drinks, and then our food is also in, so we're gonna see y'all then when we start eating. Okay, so we tried the raspberry lemon drop. I think it's like a good 8 out of 10.
The Georgia peach is kind of a 10 out of 10.
Georgia peach is a good
9 out of 10.
It's good.
10 out of 10.
It's
I'm gonna
good.
give it a 10.
So yeah, we're gonna fuck these up, and our food is done. So now we're just waiting on our other food. So yeah, we're just vibing, you know, bestie time. So I got the carne asada, and
My
the
order
mashed
is
potatoes
not right.
and corn.
My order is fucked up, y'all. I ordered mashed potatoes and I got rice.
Yeah.
But I'm a bad bitch, so.
And we're not gonna do too much. And he's gonna eat it. It's gonna be good because we normally get it with rice.
But why does this cauliflower?
But my shit smells good though.
Looks like chicken, y'all. Is this real chicken?
Do you smell the cauliflower?
You heard me.
Oh Lord. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone up now.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is getting tight.
Just finished blowing up her bathroom. Don't talk about my hair because it's clipped up. But she is doing my hair, period. And I'm gonna show y'all when it's done. I look a mess right now. So my whole face is not in here, but you know. And y'all know Morgan's doing my hair. But yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
What's your problem? Okay, y'all. I'm about to make my coffee. My coffee. Let me see. I use the. So yeah, y'all, I am about to be on the way to the beach. Actually, yeah, great. So I'm going for 2 days. Quick little trip because I have to work. The day, literally the day I come back. I'm coming back in that morning. But yeah, I did spill the creamer everywhere. Good for me to taste it because I haven't tasted it yet. the sweetener at the bottom. Favorite part. It's so cute. I feel a lot of creamer, so please get off my butt. I need some more sugar or something. But for right now, this is all we have. We're gonna get some more coffee stuff. When I get back from the beach, like, I want the frother, some more stuff, some more creamer. I want it to taste like coffee milk. But yeah, I made all this coffee, and I'm gonna add a little more. But other than that, I'm just gonna go because I won't be here. So, coffee pot is still on. I try to put this back on. Let me wait. Jacob, no. I'm done packing. Me and my man is on the way back with my food because it's 6 o'clock. It's probably 5 something. And sorry y'all, my tripod acting dumb. It's probably 5 something and I haven't ate yet. Probably 6, honestly. Finally. I'm about to go drink at my spot. Yeah. Take that with me when I get up there. Okay, y'all. I'm at the spot. Drinking my coffee. I should have like my devotional or something. But I don't. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the view. Y'all can't see the water back there. I think y'all can kind of see. Water right there. It's beautiful. I think my man just got home, y'all. It's a loss. It's time to go, y'all. Never mind. and moved away. I don't do wasps and bees. That's how fast. One thing I need is like some whipped cream. Okay, y'all, let me go in there and eat and see y'all when I'm on the road. Okay, y'all, so we just arrived at the beach house, the family beach house, and it's like 2 o'clock in the morning right now. But I think I'm gonna go all the way up to the top, like on the roof. There's like a seat and some stairs up there, and chill. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow when we actually do something. Yeah.